Hey creators, feeling overwhelmed by TikTok trends? In this video, I'll show you how to keep up with trends without burning out so you can grow and stay sane. And here's how to balance consistency with creativity. First, you need to check schedule. Scroll your FYP just to 15 to 20 minutes a day to spot trends. Then don't binge scroll. Then pick 1 to 2 trends per week that aligns with your niche. Quality over quantity. Batch film content. Record multiple videos in one session so you don't have to post daily. Then use a templates or reuse your best performing formats to save time and energy. Then here, mute the noise. It's okay to skip trends that don't fit the brand or mood. You don't have to do everything. And that's how you stay on top of TikTok trends without burning yourself out. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more creator tips. Thanks for watching.